Pacheco family, but today we are going to be doing Try My Halloween candy that I got. I'll give you a close-up look of all that I have, but that's the Halloween candy that I personally eat a lot, or not, it's not these, but anyways, we're going to be trying different candies that I think will not be very good, so let's go. Okay. So first I'm going to be trying these orange things. They don't really have a name, so I'm kind of surprised what they will taste like. Okay, so they're in that wrapper, and then there's another clear wrapper that goes with it. So, well, I thought it had something in it, but it don't, apparently. It kind of tastes like coffee-ish. So I'll give this one a 3 out of 10. Let's put this out. So there that is. Now we are going to be trying a almond joy. I've literally never ate one of these, so I am super surprised. I'm gonna try this now. It has like coconut in it. I'm kind of weirded out, but here's this. It kind of looks fancy, like in a weird way. It reminds me of Hawaii. I actually like this one. I'll give this a 10 out of 10. I really like this one. But I'm not going to take forever to eat, so I'll put this one up for now. So now we're going to be trying one of these Gob Stoppers. I'm going to try this. It don't really have a flavor. It kind of tastes like banana a little. You know, it's because I ate the yellow, but let's put this out too. So now I'm going to be trying a Three Musketeers, just because I've been wondering like what it would taste like, because a lot of people like these. Like some of these, it looks nasty. So it tastes like it feels bitter. But that's the way. That is the way. So yeah. So now we're gonna be trying these sour things. Let me try this. Very sour. I mean, if this was a sour contest, swim, besides like the head things, whatever they're called, I kind of like this one. I'll give this one a 6 out of 10. Now we're going to be trying this thing. Sucker, it don't really have a name either, but I don't like this one. It's oranges. Put this one up. Now we're gonna be trying. This one's definitely like a 2, but I did not like it at all. Tastes like rubber. Now we're gonna be trying a crackle. I'm gonna try this one. Okay, I'm gonna like a crunch box. Very chocolatey and peanut buttery. So that's the end of this video. Go with my other videos, and that's all. So bye, guys.